Okay, so solve equations using the addition and subtraction properties of equality. It just means you can add the same number to both sides of an equation. You can subtract the same number from both sides of the equation. So y plus 45 equals negative 66. We can just subtract 45 from both sides. Okay, so that gives us y equals, now negative 66 subtracted by 45, that brings us further back in the negatives. Okay, so if you got 66 and it's negative and you subtract by 45, you should actually see the digits increase to negative 111 because you're going further back in debt. Okay, in other words, 66 plus 45, that's negative 111. Okay, on 21 over here, x subtracted by 165 equals negative 420. Get rid of the subtraction by doing the opposite, by adding 165 to both sides. So start off with negative 420 on the number line. You know, we don't have to count out every number. But if you add 165, which direction should you be going? Adding means you're making something get bigger, right? So you're going this way. So these digits should be getting smaller. So this is like doing 420 subtracted by 165. Just put a negative sign on it though. So the digits got smaller, but adding 165 wasn't enough to get us out of debt. On 27, get p subtracted by 2 over 5 equals 2 over 3. We've got to add 2 over 5 to both sides to get p by itself. And that just means we got a little fraction work ahead of us. We got to get common denominators before we can try to add two fractions. So this one's multiply the top and the bottom by 5. And this one is multiply the top and the bottom by 3. Now that the bottoms are the same, we can add the numerators. It makes 16 over 15.